Shopify and Wix, both are great for creating an e-commerce store. But which one of them is better? In this video, we are going to compare both tools in these 4 key areas and help you find the right tool for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the ease of use. When it comes to building an online store, you have to take a few factors into account: the setup process, designing options, and how easy it is to oversee and manage your store from the back end. With Wix, you will get an entire overview as soon as you log in. And then you can follow this essential checklist to set up your website. However, as a first-time user, it feels a little overwhelming, as there are so many options here that brings confusion. Shopify, on the other hand, provides a simple yet easy-to-understand dashboard, along with a simple checklist. You can simply follow the checklist and set up your entire store in less than 30 minutes. What I like about Shopify is that they don't add unnecessary things in the left menu, and all the extra steps and information are in the bottom left settings. This feels easy to navigate and get started. Next, Wix offers a lot more customization options than Shopify. Shopify keeps the design simple and mobile optimized. They have a simple editor with pre-built sections. You only need to put them into a structure based on your requirements. The best part is that all the sections are already mobile optimized, which saves you a lot of time and effort. But unlike Shopify, Wix was originally started as a website builder, which is why it has more customization options and templates. However, if you are just starting out and you don't have a clear structure in mind, then designing with Wix can be quite challenging. In such cases, you can use their pre-made templates. Lastly, when it comes to product management, Shopify takes the lead. You can add all your products in just a click of a button, but in case of Wix, you need to install an additional app called Wix Store to add products into your store. Same goes for other e-commerce functionalities. And as soon as you have more than a few products to sell, building your inventory is much easier with Shopify, especially if you sell multiple variants of the same product. So, we can say that Shopify has the upper hand when it comes to ease of use. Next, let's have a look at the pricing plans of both tools. When it comes to value for money, Wix is the more cost-effective option of the two. Wix's pricing ranges from $16 to $159 per month. There are 4 premium plans to choose between, but you'll need the $27 per month core plan, or above if you want to sell online. Shopify, on the other hand, has also increased its pricing recently. Their basic plan now costs $39 per month, and their advanced plan costs $400. Not to mention the transaction fees, which can reduce your profits if you are running on thin margins. So, Wix is a much affordable option than Shopify. Next, let's talk about customer support. If you ever need a hand getting your online store up and running or managing your business website, Wix is the better choice for support compared to Shopify. Wix offers various support options. You can call them anytime, day or night for help, as they provide 24/7 customer support. Their live chat option is available from Monday to Friday. They're also active on social media and engage with users there. Plus, they have a knowledge center and SEO learning hub packed with helpful guides from experts. However, Wix doesn't have email support. If you prefer emailing for help, then Shopify might be a better fit since it offers this option. The only downside we found with Shopify is its lack of tutorials for editing. No matter how easy a tool is, if you are using it for the first time, you'll face some issues. And having a lack of tutorials will make it more difficult. That's why Wix is the winner again. Talking about the features of Wix and Shopify, both tools provides all the essential features that you need to sell your products online. So, deciding one over another is a little difficult. Apart from these 4 key metrics, here are 3 reasons to choose Wix over Shopify. First, Wix doesn't charge transaction fees if you use a third-party payment gateway. A payment gateway is the software you use to process credit card payments on your store. With Shopify, if you don't use its built-in payment gateway and choose to use another one like Stripe, Authorize.net, or WorldPay, you'll get charged transaction fees. In contrast, Wix doesn't apply any charges for using third-party payment gateways, and this can make credit card processing considerably cheaper, especially if you are a high-volume seller. Second, Wix gives you a lot more templates and website customization options than Shopify. With Wix, you have hundreds of free templates to choose from. On the other hand, Shopify only gives you access to 12 free ones. Although more templates for Shopify are available in the platform's theme store, but these can be very expensive. The premium themes of Shopify cost somewhere around $40 to $400. Last but not least, Wix lets you translate your site into more languages. While Shopify restricts you to 20 translations, Wix lets you create 180 different language versions of your website. Okay, so that's some of the key things that Wix does better than Shopify. Now let's look at the reasons you might want to use Shopify instead. First of all, Shopify's e-commerce features are better. In general, Shopify's e-commerce features are considerably stronger than those available from Wix. Unlike Wix, you can use Shopify to facilitate checkout in local currencies. It gives you a lot more options for dropshipping, and its automatic tax calculation features are much more sophisticated. Next, Shopify lets you sell on other websites and social media channels. In fact, Shopify has the best multi-channel integration options, allowing you to connect your store with marketplaces and social media channels. This is a great way to target customers on platforms that they're already engaged with. It's also worth noting that Shopify has a cheap Shopify starter plan which costs $5 per month. This plan is designed to help you start selling across social media and messaging apps. If you want to start selling quickly and don't need a fully polished storefront, the plan is a good alternative to Shopify's more expensive website builder packages. Last but not least, Shopify's point-of-sale features are more extensive. Point-of-sale features let you sell not just on the web, but in physical locations too, all while keeping your data from online and offline sales in sync. While both Wix and Shopify provide point-of-sale features, Shopify's are much more extensive. With Shopify, you get access to much more point-of-sale hardware and features, and you can use them in more countries too. All these features make Shopify the best e-commerce platform. But in our honest opinion, Wix has the upper hand over Shopify. Sure, Shopify has more selling options, but you can integrate those options in Wix too. You can say that Shopify has a vast library of apps in their store, but in reality, 90% of those apps are useless. You can say that Shopify has more payment integration options, but they also have a very high transaction fees, which is a pain for sellers operating on thin margins. And for all these reasons, we consider Wix better than Shopify. So if you want to try Wix, we've given a link in the video description that will give you a free forever account of Wix. You can try all of its features, and if found it easy to use, you can upgrade to a paid plan. And if you're looking for a much easy-to-use software, or if you just want to sell on social media like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, then Shopify is a good option as well. But be ready to pay high transaction fees as well. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.